asem yidika
Inna beka.
akwasi insia
Commander 6.
Karo sani etie
ya we ka just ya we ka sani esimi etie yemfa bi nka o yenyi bi mfrim yemfa bi so mfuafua ho ne nyina Ghana ye yo Ghana kan ko Ghana punto ntia e adwenkyere obi aso okwanya so betimi a kire na adwekwa betimi afa so a ye ma no atu empon na champion tanwuma no mo boye na maka no pe na mehwe video bi on Facebook yesele di bi so ye musician eseyo na wawro ne hontes na sini nyina naked na original stage etonyum and I'm here and I'm like Charlie this is so sad. This is so sad. It is a level you per se a drop here music industry in the bedroom all because of fame. It's so shameful. Organizers of that show, the managers of that lady, it's just like a shameful act. A woman go naked on stage to sing. Near your boy and Sam. Asem. So no perminu edi enkobacho ma first statement be enfanchiro. A statement from Ministry of Roads and Highways. Sendo nyina beka ya awrawsam ya esi okasua Buduburam. Eye Winiba kwantempon so. Usa aban ahase ya wotu anamon se eye Buduburam Winiba mechira kasua Winiba kwantempon no. Ye be na fanu. Yes dual carriage ebe. Na contractor edi dwumede na ahye ne sa woye no. Opai abo na ode ayesa kwan na woye no. Eno akopai ama Asem papa amfa fie sinipa be se 3 nam sa empire mu. Ashrabon kwafo bribe so prepra emu edi pa. So this is a statement from the Ministry of Roads and Highways. Also press release for immediate release 15th October, that's today. Blasting accident at Buduburam. Ministry of Roads and Highways offers condolence to victims. Yesterday at the Kasua Winneba Road dualization project site in Buduburam, Central Region, a blasting accident occurred, resulting in fatalities and injuries. The Ministry of Roads and Highways offers its condolences to the families and loved ones of those affected by this unfortunate incident. The ministry also wishes those who suffered various degrees of injuries as a result of the accident a speedy recovery. Currently, investigations have commenced into the incident to unravel the cause of this unfortunate incident. The ministry is also liaising with the relevant institutions such as the Ghana Police Service and NADMO to ascertain the number of casualties and injured and ensure that appropriate care is provided for all those affected. It is worth noting that the contractor has successfully carried out 21 controlled blasting exercises at the same site without incident, in collaboration with NADMO and the Ghana Police Service. The ministry assures the public that it will collaborate with relevant state institutions to ensure a thorough investigation into the incident and disclose the findings to the public. Signed, Nasir Ahmed Yate, Head, Public Relations Unit, Ministry of Roads and Highways. So Nasir to provide us more better and further clarification on this. It's so unfortunate. I say, Akwakobanisa. There are certain maybe here we need to clarify. I said to me, Aka emu asemu eyepa na amanfo so to me atiase. Say time e dey ma say be blasting no time no anso and they started blasting say time no so pa ho they started blasting no. We go tia amanfo on komodie no mo edidia. I'm trying say asanto ametime nya video no edi amai. Komo ene amanfo edi wo no me yomo ekam. Say omo yomo tabo omo mane. But we do monim de eti omo ka kire omo anka amfa nkire omo. Say ye pese ekomo so. Eti me kona macho say na say are you ready a? Mam kwa masunam the head of public affairs at the Ministry of Roads and Highways ekodi ekomo. Yate good morning.
Pacho, good morning. Me chia na me sanso chia with your phone now.
Therefore, ahwefo ya ehwe asemi ni kana no pay ejo so da wase. So quickly me enti ase ebrebe na nu na blast na say ebaso.
Well, sad detail no me I don't have it. Nyamenim say endra no engineers ne frey e what has happened over there. And quickly we had to get the police and NADMO involved to commence investigation as to near a cause or my main fan to just say a quina ye no Buduburam hono ye BBI friend is underpass. Underpass na ye wo hono to say near a war Legon police station hono. Opa Legon underpass na wo hono. Sa bi pepe and a ye Buduburam ho. Unfortunately, no contractor no encounter a block pa. And so for the past 3 months, no contractor no has been engaged to obepai a buono. Or BBI friend controlled blasting. Into no asset yesterday, no for the past 3 months, no contractor now about 21 of such blasting. Blasting now NADMO any police and coordinators are blasting. NADMO adia back on mo boy and say almost around and they sensitize the residents say they blasting now obiya actually police for so boy and cordon off place name making sure say traffic and now BBI or say if you have him and stand at blasting. And during see no your ministry home hano because not there was standard operation
before say be rather standard of operations no that your SOPC or mo dey adwuma honum no say omo ye blast na that 21 times no my no ya na abo ni bi efiri baby e blast no eba ekwan mu ana because o show videos ni bia atra abakwam akobubu obi kura shop apai na glass nyina
entina eye atonian kem na ye kan accident no we accident AC because enten sisa entina o say yehwehwe mu no say accident there say esia ewo eniso no unti ase eba ne sen AC ye this o yehwehwe mu na what ase say me eba because the entire friend control blasting and they say Ubon says before Andra incident this year, so Tremo Buduburam, Ubon say according off that area, the chance say according off that area. No, it is a way blasting now, or say Bobana be free blasting no more ban. I will say it was within area now according off. And you say beyond that area, internet friend control blasting. No. It is not a call beyond chance now. Would you see on a net something has gone wrong? It's in accident, and I ever friends say at Tonyan Bia Asia.
So and now you say a Mabria was some potem one more Ariata say a be a woman contract and cry and yajuma because the fees say contract and Momoyeno near a CNO Emma feel safe. As ministry, dear Namudi sad way efforts to make sure say abotoyem abba say be a contractor near Manford Tempotabono, a bet me akoso enyan kita die ayo madwuma ye be your kwan so faso.
Entina atonyanchem de esia ehia say abotre na ye tumi ahwehwe mu ne ntesi ye se na be ye NCBM. Afi so ye be sre imbabu na wo hon endra no Asem ni si ye no nyama be kokọ so ana enye fekra omo bro workers ni ye pa afi so no omo say omo site camp na wo ho no in fact workers mi no construction workers mi no nyankopon amboa ya nti omo hwere omo nkwa ewo embebu ni nsa nti ye be sre embebu ni se omo nya abotre na Jumei omunti ene ye enye ye pe se BBC ebesi se esia ehumbe hia se mpemfo betenase na omo wo enimdi a ye di pense nyama bi we nyama bi se mu no yama omo abote no ma hwehwem omunya reshemu se
okay
se ba ne se nhwehwemu trese bibi anko ye ya ana obi anye ne juma ye ya Dani pano yabema embra any lady.
Okay.
And he said, Omo Ghana ye Omaya yedi embra a juma. And he said, Omo de embra ni shongonsa. no omoye nia emfata nti e be
so yate before you be no how when am engage community no before this exercise ampa mo contract na 21 times a year save adwuma amu it got to do with the environment the effect about me nya amanfo so EPA involved how one ya sensitize amanfo no send ya catch up say start blast na dia na amanfo enye omo sa education way
and in America say NADMO a national institution well invest in disaster management. It is NADMO is leading our sensitization effort within the community. Then they are the best people placed to do that.
So you are best assured said NADMO amma man for the water area no enough education about projects in the course no.
Boss, na me tell you say ye juma ye di wo hono ye ni NADMO for ni di juma. And at every time I ever blast in Biano, we engage NADMO to inform the citizens, and they have the expertise to carry that sensitization out because we are going to deal with disaster.
Okay.
And so I'm what to say to the people, what information to carry out. I'm trained in communication.
Okay.
But because we are dealing with an activity that may result in disaster, no, yet the sensitization. At every point in time, I hear this kind of blasting. NADMO for carry out sensitization. And I make a
compensation.
Andrea, you know, idea. I was a yes, you should near a course because other than that, we have this well laid out planner every year, Juma.
Okay.
The year Juma for 21 times. It has been very successful. It's in the Eba and Drano. It's if you show more, and everyone say, if you see me see, and yes, and I say never, yeah, now we never, Asem see, and then you what to put in place to first and foremost prevent it from happening again. Then, secondly, you say, Obi and the Juma year, what kind of punishment and now you also
with this blasting, no, because of for how long?
Well, as long as we need to remove the rock, as long as the rocks remain there and it's difficult to, you need to remove the rock. A lot of way a friend is saying, expenditures, the Sika and the Edigu project, you know, Bibia a standing block are ever hot progress of the project. Now, say if you want to
know. An idea of the volume of rocks, sir. One more same way through answer as a project.
The rock now in construction term, the hard pan rock.
Okay.
About 45 meters in depth and 20 meters wide. That is the kind of rock we are dealing with, and it's taking so much time to remove it. But we are at the tail end of it.
Okay.
We are very sure that. We'll be able to remove the rock and continue the construction. But first and foremost, I will say, Yema Akuma Etoyim. I will say, during this interview, I've not done one thing. Me, Maminfa Akwenya so na me Rishi Biri family no Yako.
Okay.
Yeah, Momo shedding. Omo prepare so no. Yeah, Beshe say. And yeah, I say na tom no sa na mo no ye betu na say yeah nhwehwemu
enti when na ya kan sa no
me ba mpache hu hia pa yeah nhwehwemu na ewie na ya say ye nyanu a omo efiri no ye pe omo krabia e be make sure say ya ma omo befitting barrier we ya adia as a ministry, you took a bushia or marche addition.
Eti na ne kwakwa say compensation bebem especially more free mu or more prayer 1 hour cars say 1 hour shop e ho e kan ye.
Well, your ministry no ejuma ye di na no we do it with human face.
Okay.
Because Aquina ye no sebi you ye Aquina farmer minister and directors our ministry. Ye Aquina send a man for a home bed form or 2 points they can go safely and come back safely. And you say yes, you may for the citizens not say at say about you can rest assured say I will say you may be a fatted beer or say ministry in the sure say apostle.
Yeah, to better see piano pay. So now say you to your head of public affairs at the Ministry of Roads and Highways. Now what to say, yeah, no change and come on. So let's say near Aquacobem and nearby the best and Mabune walk and Potem Wadum no. Near S near unfortunate. There's no two ways about it. Unfortunate. Do investigation koso. But kakre chain believe say would have been avoided. Send it 21 times now. Yeah, and yet me avoid the incident of this nature. But me and family so and shy and sem yeah. Yan mo ya dream. Say unya on na jira na boat me abe born say team na ekuno. On care be shemu. Wapake o car e de esi baabi o meji ade wa ha ma ba ni a blastable na etimi abesai car no wa bia shop ampa time be say mama na say blast ni kan train kire mo na twim ebo aba be twim mo shop no asewu ni ma eya brebe sem ye ma akoma so mra fom ye ma akoma emra fom. Because 2 wrongs does not make right. It is say ye o ma kreti baako. Ye so ko kreti baako de ka ho a na ye kwa na se ye ba. Se ye ka se ye kwa ko si osi akwan se ye mo enye kwan na ekwan so eye to our benefit. Ye nyine ni Buduburam. So bi otu kwan extra winiba ko ayi Cape Coast Portam bia so free kwan so ba pe ba bi ba trimu Buduburam traffic. So we know say yasa kwan ye pa. Say be a traffic be bo kwan so ntia ma free Cape Coast ba Accra na yam hihye no sa traffic na no betimi aba fom. Me emfa ye odi ne nkoya ade a okine be besa nu ye ho. Ni yasa ko tema fra ban say aban me ye kwan fa ma ye. Because enene ma bo kwan na ekosoro say ya anya ne na okine sika be na be kosoro. Tie be sere ye ma komanto yem. Ni be sere ministry ne so no. Sada me nua yate eka no ne o se ye bia aboa makoma timi to yem bia no yenye ye ne amanfo no so ni nkombo ne enkoso nchichire busua no so hwere na kakra bia betimi ya support won na afiri mu won na wajapade ase no ye support wo mo be de akwasensia oman ne kwabra sante ene badwafo e transe na ode pensemu atoaso e de amao yakopo ya admo chene da ofro Kaisa Asemi Edika background.
Asem yidiko, Asem yidika. Asem yidiko, Asem yidika.
In the Becca.
Akwesi insia.
Commander 6.
Kano senior